I'm going to change the headlight bulb in my 97 Vmax 500, upgrade to a little bit brighter, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I shouldn't have to tell you, you got to open the hood. You're going to want to take the socket off, which is a pain in the ass. I already pre-did all this, and I since dielectric greased it. But you pull this guy off, and then this rubber boot that's all ripped to hell. Shouldn't be in your case, but maybe it is. Then we have this little tab. The screw stays tight. Just push this down and over. Comes out of a slot, swing it out of the way. Here's your old bulb. We're going to want to take extra special care of that old bulb. Now for the new bulb, grab the most Chinese bulb you can find of your choice and pop this guy in. Don't touch the glass or wear gloves. And just swing this guy over, push down, pop it in. Don't forget the rubber grommet deal. Pop that guy on there. Just ignore the tears, it likes it. And then put on your socket. There you have it. Pretty simple.